Hey, my name is Billy Wink, and today we're going to talk about the 95B Macan issues that we see in our service shop. The 95B is 2015 to 2018, and that's the S, GTS, and Turbo, which is a 3-liter and 3.6-liter engine. So one of the common problems we see on these is the leather on the dash, and this is a prime example. So as you can see right here, it's came detached from the dashboard, and it's simply just an issue with the glue. Now, a lot of these cars, the newer ones have this problem as well. It seems to be a common problem across the entire platform, but it's more of an obvious problem. If the car's been out in the sun a lot and the glue has gotten weakened, you're going to see this problem. On some of the cars with 100,000 miles, you may not see the problem if the car wasn't exposed to sun directly beating down on the dash or sitting in areas where the temperature in the interior got really high. So this is obviously a worst case scenario example here, but I have seen them also happen here and on the front. So this is a pretty common problem, but it's not always a problem. It's just something you should look at. Now, keep in mind there are solutions to this. So if you have a warranty, Porsche can handle that for you. If it's out of warranty, a lot of service shops are familiar with this and have solutions, and we happen to have one as well. So another common issue we see, and this is more of also across other platforms of Porsche, but is the headlight will start to crack and delaminate. There are some solutions that don't require replacement, but in some cases you can't correct these with simple detailing and paint correction products, and you do have to replace these. But that's something you should look at when you're considering purchasing a car, or if you're looking to have this repaired or addressed on your car, we offer solutions for this. So those are mostly cosmetic issues that we see with these cars. We're going to talk about some of the mechanical issues. These issues are, basically the only issues we really see with these outside of standard wear and tear. So with that being said, it's not like a huge problem you're going to see on every single one of these, but it is a possibility. So timing cover leaks is more of the common one. The solution used to be drop the engine out of the car and replace the timing cover gasket and bolts. But we found a solution to do this. It doesn't require removing the engine and can save you a ton of labor costs on this. This is also something that we look at on every car that we sell here, is ensuring that these timing cover bolts are covered and repaired. And in the drivetrain, we do see a lot of common issues with the transfer case, although a lot of those have fizzled out by now because Porsche recognized it. So 2015, 16, 17, 18 Macans have a 7-year unlimited mile extension on the transfer case. So not all of these fail, but we have seen a good amount of these fail, and obviously Porsche did extend the warranty on these. Now, one of the things we'll recommend on this is every 30,000 miles, change the fluid in this, and that will extend the life tremendously in these transfer cases. And last but not least is the Mechatronics. That's your valve body in the PDK. We have seen some failures, although we have seen much more failure in the transfer case. There are some failures in these as well. Obviously, you can replace that and at the same time do the fluid and filter, which we always recommend, but it is something that could possibly fail in these cars. So thank you for watching the video today. I hope you got a lot of value from it. Our goal is to educate all of our clients and other enthusiasts like us about the problems that these cars have and the benefits of these cars. If you have a car like this and you have interest in having these issues addressed, please reach out to us at HB Auto. Thank you for watching.